Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf Launch Edit 1, 5 TSI 115HP in stunning white. This estate model boasts a 1.5-liter petrol engine and manual transmission, packed with luxury features like Bluetooth, cruise control, and ambient lighting. With top-notch safety elements like ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. This vehicle comes fully inspected, serviced, and includes a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this sleek and advanced ride. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more details. Your dream car awaits.